Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is Dr. Faraz Ahmad, and in this video I am going to tell you people that if you want to work as a medical doctor in the Ireland, definitely you will have to pass the Irish Medical Council registration exam, and this exam is called as the press exam. But if you are lucky enough and you belong to the 6 countries which I am going to tell you, if you belong to any of these countries, there is no need of the exam. You have to just pass the language exam, either OET or the IELTS exam, and you are ready for the registration with the Irish Medical Council. So if you are from the Pakistan, Australia, New Zealand, South Africa, Sudan, Malaysia, UK and Malta, definitely there is no need for the press exam. You can directly apply for the registration with the Irish Medical Council. In this video, I will tell you which documents are required for the IMC registration, how much time it will take in getting the registration, what is the total cost of getting the IMC registration if you are exempted from the press exam, what is the acceptable pattern of the house job for the IMC registration, and at the end, I will tell you people regarding the steps of this IMC registration. So let's move to the video. So first of all, if you are from the Pakistan, your graduation, your house job should be after 2009. If your house job was before the 2009, you are not exempted to the press exam. So let's talk about the documents required for the Irish Medical Council registration if you are from any of the mentioned country. First of all, you should have a valid passport, you should have MBBS degree, and you should have completed 1 year of the house job according to the pattern which is acceptable to the IMC. So I will tell you shortly that which pattern of the house job is acceptable to the Irish Medical Council, and after getting the experience of the house job from your hospital, you should have this experience from the Pakistan Medical Council or Pakistan Medical Dental Council as well. Apart from that, you should have valid IELTS or OET, and you should have the EPIC verification of both of your MBBS degree and your house job. Acceptable pattern of the house job is very important for getting the registration with Irish Medical Council. So what is the acceptable pattern of the house job for the IMC registration? There should be 3 months in the general surgery, there should be 3 months in the general medicine, 3 months in the medicine and allied, 3 months in the surgery and allied. So please keep in mind, like you have worked 3 months in the surgery, 3 months in medicine, 3 months in allied of surgery and the medicine. But if on the certificate of your house job, the title of your house job is not according to the pattern of the Ireland, still you are not going to be registered with the Irish Medical Council. So please keep in mind that not all the subspecialties are accepted in the Irish Medical Council. So now I will tell you that which specialties are there and what should be the title on your house job. So the standard rotations, like if you are going to appear in the house job like in the anesthesia, in the pediatrics, in emergency medicine, in obs and gynecology, in pediatric cardiology, in cardiothoracic surgery, in neurosurgery, general medicine, psychiatry, ophthalmic surgery. Like in the Pakistan, people, on their house job certificate, it is written that 3 months in the eye or 3 months in the ophthalmology. What is this? It should be properly written. If you want to go to the Ireland for your job, your house job certificate should be as per their pattern, and on your house job certificate it should be properly written that ophthalmic surgery. The other fields like the oral and the maxillofacial surgery, clinical genetics, otorhinolaryngology, this is very important because a lot of people who do their house job in the ENT, and on their house job certificate it is written that ENT, so this is not acceptable in the Ireland. On your house job certificate, if you have done your house job in the ENT, it should be properly written otorhinolaryngology. Alright, so whatever you have done in your house job, but your house job certificate should have the names as per this criteria of the Irish Medical Council. So here is another list. So the average time in the Irish Medical Council registration is basically 6 to 8 months. And the average cost for the Irish Medical Council is basically 970 to 1000 euro. like we can divide, like the application fee is 410 euro and then the registration fee is 540 euro. So if you convert the 970 to 1000 euro in Pakistani rupees, according to the today's date, it is 270 to 3 lakh of the Pakistani rupees. If you want to know what is the epic verification of your documents, that what is the epic verification of your degree and your house job, so you can watch the video. There is a link on the either right or the left corner of this video. So now let's talk about the steps of the registration with the Irish Medical Council. If you have completed 1 year of the house job according to the acceptable pattern to the IMC, then what should you do? Please book your exam of IELTS or OET. If you want the OET information, you can visit my channel. I have given the link of the OET in the corner. So after booking the OET, please apply for the degree from the UHS or from any of your university from where you have got the MBBS degree. And after this, what you have to do, please apply for the house job certificate from the Pakistan Medical Commission. Okay, you have taken the house job certificate from the hospital. Now you have to apply for the house job certificate from the Pakistan Medical Commission. And in the same time, while you have appeared in the OET, you are waiting for the results. Please apply for the degree, apply for the PMC house job certificate, and in the meantime, please make a account for the epic verification of your documents, which I have just mentioned. So regarding the epic verification, everything has been explained in the video. So while you are waiting for the epic verification results, so what you can do now, please open an account on the website of the Irish Medical Council. I have given a link in the description of this video. You can click on this link and this link will take you to the website of the IMC and you can establish your account there. So once you will click on the link, it will ask for your details. Please provide all your details to the IMC account, and once you will provide all your details, your account will be approved in few days. So I have mentioned already regarding the required documents. So what you have to do, once you have established the account at the IMC website, now you have to go for what? Now you have to go for the notarization of your documents. Like which documents? You have to go for the notarization of your passport, your MBBS degree, and your IELTS or OET results. Notarization of your documents means that you have to get these documents verified from the district courts or any of the lawyer. Now your mentioned documents have been notarized and now you have to send these notarized documents to the IMC address. Like you are going to send these documents via courier to the Irish Medical Council office in the Ireland. Now you have sent all the documents to the IMC and now you have to apply for the good standing certificate from the Pakistan Medical Commission, and please request the Pakistan Medical Commission to send your good standing certificate directly to the IMC. And in the meantime, you have to pay the fee of the application to the Irish Medical Council, which I have just mentioned previously, and I think this fee was the 410 euro. So now is the most important step, and the most important step is wait. So you have to wait almost 3 to 4 months, and in the 3 to 4 months they are going to evaluate your application which you have just submitted online and you have sent the documents via the courier. So they will take 3 to 4 months to evaluate your application. You can check the status of your application from the IMC website. So previously when you uploaded the documents, when you fulfilled the application online, so it was showing the status of the awaiting assessment. So in the 3 to 4 months, this status of your application will be changed from the awaiting assessment to the under assessment. So once your status has been changed to the under assessment, it's mean that they are assessing your application. So once the assessment of your application is complete, they are going to send a form which is called the Geno form. So what you have to do, once they send you the Geno form, you have to fill that form, and after filling that form, you have to send that form back to the Irish Medical Council. Once you will send the Geno form back to the IMC, now it's time to pay the 560 euro to the Irish Medical Council, because this 560 euro you are going to pay for the IMC registration. So this is basically IMC registration fee. Once you will pay this fee, they will evaluate your all the application and your Geno form, then they are going to register you in the IMC register. So after paying the fee, now there is again a period of 3 to 4 months of wait and wait. Please do nothing in this period. Don't send them email, don't call them. You have to just wait for 3 to 4 months, and in these 3 to 4 months, after the evaluation, after the complete evaluation of your application, they are going to send you a number for the IMC registration. So congratulations, now you are registered with the Irish Medical Council, and now you can apply for the jobs in the Ireland. If there is any job, you can appear in the interview and you can join the job in the Ireland. So this was all about regarding the process of registration. If you are from the 6 to 7 countries which are exempted from the press exam, so you can apply in this way for the IMC registration. So if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment box. You can ask me on my Instagram account. Thank you very much.